In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share just one folder on OneDrive. Start by opening OneDrive in your web browser and going to the My Files section. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account and wait for your files to load. This page lists everything in your OneDrive, but we're going to share only a single folder, not the entire storage. Find the folder you want to share. Instead of opening it, select it. You can do this by hovering over the folder and clicking the small check mark or circle that appears, or by using the checkbox next to the folder name. This ensures you're targeting the folder itself, which is important for controlling exactly what others can access. With the folder selected, click the Share button. You'll see it in the toolbar at the top, and it may also appear as an option if you right-click the folder. This opens the sharing panel, where you'll set permissions and generate your link. In the sharing panel, click the permissions line at the top of the panel. This is the area that shows the current link settings, often with a small arrow. Here, choose the option that says Can't Make Changes. That switches the link to view only so people can see the contents but not edit them. Next, select Anyone with the link can view. This creates a simple viewing link that works for anyone you share it with. Use this when convenience matters more than restricting access to specific people. If you need tighter control, remember that you can choose more restrictive options later from the same menu. Before finishing, review any additional link settings that are highlighted in the panel. Depending on your account, you may see options such as blocking downloads or setting an expiration date. Adjust these as needed for your situation so the link behaves exactly the way you want. When your settings look right, click Apply to save them. This returns you to the main sharing panel with your updated permission details clearly shown. Now click Copy Link. OneDrive generates the link and places it on your clipboard instantly. You can paste it into an email, a chat, or anywhere you communicate. Recipients who open this link will only see the folder you shared and won't be able to modify its contents. That's it. Your single folder is now shared safely and cleanly. If you ever need to change access or stop sharing, return to the folder's Share menu and update